Hey guys, what's up? We are going to go plant shopping. I know, I don't need any more plants, but I do want, oh my god, my voice. Oh, I do want a few more plants around here that I'll show you to fill in spaces. And I also need to pick up like some other things that are plant related, I guess, if that makes sense. And I'll show you what they are right now. But I'm gonna go in like nurseries, local nurseries and stuff. I do need to stop by. I feel like there's a big box store I gotta stop by. I can't even remember. I'll probably remember on the way. Also, I picked up, or I bought a plant off of somebody in this San Diego like plant group. So I'm picking that up. It's a Hoya splash, and it just looks so cute. And I was like, oh my god. Like, and I'm not a Hoya person, but I was like, that is so cute. Oh my god, this eyebrow. Okay, my ADD is kicking in. But so we're gonna pick that up first so I can see how big it is, because it might actually fill in a spot that I'm thinking. So I'll show you right now what we're working with. So this is the bookcase. I'll link it down below on Amazon. So I've kind of just dressed it up and everything. And then down here I've clamped this grow light I got from Amazon, and I have them feeding in these two shelves, because this is when we're not home. That's as far as I'll open the blinds, because it is so hot in here, because, oh, look, there's a glare, but it is so hot in here because we do not have AC, and this is the only window, and it's west facing, so it gets hot. So I do not keep all these blinds open when we're not home. I keep them open maybe even smaller than that, so this area doesn't get as much light. So I thought just popping in some grow lights would help them grow better. Anyway, so I have a couple like things going on right here, and then I have this empty shelf, and I kind of want to put something else down here since I have this light. And then this is just a vase that I bought and water everyone in, and then I have a humidifier right here. So this is kind of like my needy bitches corner, you know. And then I also want to find over here, dude, this guy, if you go on my Instagram page, he is thriving, living his best life. Look at that new little guy, like new leaves on deck. Like, he's getting so tall. Like, and then we have this guy, new leaves, of course. He's looking so beautiful and juicy. But then I got these string of dolphins, and I don't know if they like this spot. Again, this is west facing, so afternoon, about here-ish, it kind of slants, like it misses the poly over here, but it's direct. And this guy, I don't know, he bleaches out because he's too close to the sun, but he grows the best right here. Like, he grows hella fast, so I don't know. But I was thinking about getting a new hanging plant that might be able to take more direct sun and move him over there. But we'll see. And I also, in this corner, I want to get a hanging plant, but I want to get a big hanging plant. Like, I want this to be a bad bitch in the corner, you know? Like, because I just feel like this is cute. This is cute. I want this minimal because, you know, he's got to have his Steelers, but I want something there. So we'll see. The Hoya is only 6 inches, so I might see if I can pull it off, putting it over there, or maybe I can replace this fake one. My boyfriend keeps telling me, why don't you replace this fake one? Okay, you have all these real ones. Why aren't you using a fake one? I was like, okay, maybe. We'll see. I have no idea. But that is what we're shopping for today. So yeah, and then all the plants that I just showed you that I want to get, I don't know necessarily specifically what I want to get, but yeah. Also, my patio garden's not doing too hot. The only thing that's popping out right now are cherry tomatoes. Everything else, I think gnats got to it. I totally blanked that San Diego has fruit flies like no other, and I overwater peppers, and I don't know why. I thought, oh, you should be watering these twice a week, because they're definitely dead. They're done. Like, so we're gonna get new herbs, a couple new like veggies to put in there. Okay, so it's technically the next day, but I got distracted and a couple of the nurseries were kind of like crowded of where I was in, so I didn't record them. I tried to record them, but I didn't. This is the Hoya splash I got. I put her up here with my Anisonii. I'm gonna figure out a way to get her to climb, because obviously we don't want her to hang in front of the TV, but she is really pretty. The wire thing up here you see, I'm gonna change that into like maybe a moss pole or something. I don't really know. I'm not totally sure how they like to climb. I was gonna let her drape, but she's actually really long when I was untangling her, and I was like, oh, okay, we're gonna wrap you back up. But for reference, that's kind of how she looks. To my shelf, because remember I wanted to fill this bottom part, so I got this cute little Sansevieria. I don't remember the actual name of this, but look at how small he is. He has 2 babies. See them? 2 babies? Yeah. He's got 2 babies popping out. Oh my god, he's so cute. Like, I had to get him. He was cute. And I got this little pot he's in from Armstrong. And then I got, this is my wish list plant, guys. Let me talk to you about it. The pot, again, is from Armstrong. The pot is from Armstrong. But this is a sensitive plant. As you can see, it's already freaking out. But when you touch him, let's see if I can do this. When you touch him, he closes up. So I moved him, and he's obviously got a little scared. Maybe I'll show you him in a little bit where he's fluffy. But I got him, and he was only $7 at the nursery in Pacific Beach, the Green Gardens. I got both of these plants from the Green Gardens nurseries, and then I got their pots from Armstrong. Okay, so this is our like side table by our couch. I have my 2 plants here with a lamp, and then I got this. Oh my god, she's just beautiful. Look at her. I got this Brazil. Oh my gosh. This is a Philodendron Brazil. This leaf. Oh, I can't. She's a hanging plant technically, but I got her from North Park Nursery, and then I got this, I got a hook from Home Depot, and this wall macrame. It's actually rope. It's not actual macrame, but it's like macrame to put her in against the wall so she can start trailing this way in the front, because I wanted something in this corner. Well, I was too scared to drill into the roof because I really don't know what I'm doing, but I can anchor something into a wall. So she's sitting there really pretty. Isn't that pretty? I love her. She's just, oh, she's so pretty. All right, excuse the sweaty mess, but I just repotted the tomato plant and had to clean up the patio twice because I spilled perlite everywhere, and it blows away. I'll do a video in a minute showing what I replanted. I didn't get much video footage of it just because it was a little awkward, but I repotted the tomatoes. I didn't think I was gonna have to do that, but as soon as I pulled up the pot, the roots were like all out of the bottom, and I should have known that that pot was too short for it. So I bought like this big black nursery pot, and then I put, this is really loud, hold on. And then I put, since the nursery pots have like big holes, so the gravel, not the gravel, but the soil will fall through it when I move it, and I don't want to get soil all over the patio. So I put paper towels at the bottom to kind of like block the gravel, but also allow the water to go through. I don't know how long paper towels are gonna last, but oh my god, I'm so sweaty, you guys. I don't know how long that will last. I also added worm castings to the tomato plants because they're heavy feeders, and I know I wasn't feeding it enough, but the thing is, with the gnats out here, like the fruit flies, when you water it a lot, the fruit flies just love to go in there, so I needed to figure out a way to like fertilize it between waterings. I don't know, in my head that makes sense, so we'll see if that works. Hopefully these grow bigger, but yeah, I was wondering why my tomatoes really weren't growing anymore, and it's because they were root bound. So to help with the gnats, I'm gonna make a mixture of water and hydrogen peroxides, because I leave a water bottle out there, and when they look a little dry, I kind of like spritz them down. So I think if I add hydrogen in there, it's gonna keep the gnat larvae that the gnat larvae. Oh my god, that's so ratchet. The gnat larvae away. So that's just basically what I'm doing with this right now. I also repotted a house plant too, so I'll show you that right now. Hold on. So I repotted, this is a clover, purple clover plant. It's also an Oxalis triangularis, that's its Latin name. He's sad. I think I need to water him because he's in new soil. The soil he came in, first of all, he's in a pot way bigger than this, and he only took up half the pot. So I wanted to put him in something smaller to make him look more compact, and in something nicer. And then I also added perlite to the garden soil. Like, I don't know. I'm not fancy with my soil yet, guys, but I added perlite to add drainage because it was basically like it was in mud. And I was like, that's not cute. Also, on my expedition yesterday, I went to Target and they have these little 2-packs of these little baskets for $5 in different like grays and whites and blacks. So I got this dark tweedy black one and I thought it's cute to like kind of just pop a little plant in there, you know? Oh shoot, I'm knocking things down. Oh my god, I'm fired. But like, yeah, is it the best looking thing? No, but it's kind of cute, you know? It's a 2-pack, so that's a good deal. So I'll water him and he should spruce up. But yeah, he needed some help over there. Hey, pretty girl, what are you doing? Misha's favorite spot is on the patio, huh, Mish? Hi. Camera shy, boo-boo. Hi, boo-boo. That's the jalapeno. So we're gonna try. He was over there, but I moved him. So I'm hoping this will be better. That's a jalapeno. I put him on a steak. He's extra juicy. That is the peppers, the small little sweet peppers. And then this is the new tomato one. I'm gonna water them tonight when it's not sunny. But yeah, the stalk was like 5, almost 12 inches with no leaves. So I just buried all the way up until the first little, whatever this is called. But I put him in a way bigger pot. He was in a pot similar to this. He was actually in that terracotta pot that has pots inside of it. I moved the succulents over there, and then I also, this is where I put the herbs. So kind of spritz them down with some hydrogen peroxide water, and then I make sure the water's off of it. So they'll spruce up. Sorry. And then, that's my burnt rosemary. I could put something here, I guess. I don't know yet. Okay, so my go plant shopping with me turned into, let's kind of look at some plant shopping, see what I bought. And then also I decided to repot a bunch of stuff. So it turned into like a vlog kind of thing. So I'm not mad about it. So I think I'll just end it there, honestly. But if you like this video, give it a this is not a thumbs up, this is a peace sign. Thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Support me right now. I'm not working because they closed the hair salons down again. So I'm just kicking it at home. Just doing plant things, you know? Just doing plant things. But I will leave it off there and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.